everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and we are ready to decorate this felt wallet. It's one of the several blanks that we sell for application of HTV. So I'm going to give my grandson, one of my grandsons, some money. So I'm going to put it in this wallet. He likes reptiles, so I'm going to put a snake on it. After I've weeded my images, I've taken my Cricut mat and put the image on in the order it will go. So we're going to begin with this layer. Okay, this is the first press we're going to make, so we don't have any exposed vinyl. With our mat, we only need to press it for 3 seconds. And I've got a few layers, so we don't want to press it for more than that. And this is a warm peel, easy peasy. Here's the second layer. Here's the third. Now let's put this I made the tongue out of glitter to give it a little bit of sparkle here. I'm going to trim this, so I'm going to press 2 things at one time. So you don't want the transfer tape overlapping with the other thing, but I'm also at the same time going to be pressing the eyes. So we're just going to trim these up a bit. Now glitter we press for about 15 seconds. So that's why I put it on now. So I'm going to press it again while I put the last layer of matte on. That layer are little eyeballs. That way our glitter will get a little more time. And glitter is a cold peel. So we're just going to let that puppy cool off a little bit with our cooling block. And there we go. An easy little project to put some money in as a gift. Thanks everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again everyone.